Xin chào, ni hao, hello and welcome to my channel VietMomCooking. Today I will smoke the turkey, and you know what? When I smoke this turkey, the meat really juicy, yummy, but however the skin rubbery. So today I learned some tricks to make the skin crispy. So let's see if it works. Okay, we will need 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning, 1 tablespoon of chili, 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of onion butter, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Okay, and then you need 2 soft sticks of butter with rosemary, thyme, and sage. I cannot find the fresh thyme, but we will make it work. And you will need 4 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of Cajun, or you can use some barbecue smoke flavor. So this is really good, juicy meat. And you know what? my country didn't have a Thanksgiving celery. So this, when I married my husband, I know this is here they celebrate Thanksgiving. This is so beautiful because we gather friends and family together and enjoy the big turkey. And okay, so you have to use a small knife to loosen the skin. You push in and just loosen, and then when your hand go in like this, you set that. And we can marinate the chicken, the turkey. So we use half the butter under turkey and half you save for on top of the turkey. Just make sure you put over the turkey. Inside the turkey, look, the skin, the leg. And then we will smoke it. You know, my country don't have turkey. We have a chicken, and usually my mom killed a chicken for Happy New Year. So we use half for the inside the turkey. You know, the big turkey, I just love to eat the leg. Over, massage it. Go down here. Just want to keep right here to pop. Oops. And now I give half the seasoning for inside it. So let's see. No. It's kissing my chilies. Make me cut. So you just make sure on top of it. And now we use the butter This morning I take the turkey out. My dog, so excited. If you haven't tried smoked turkey this year, maybe follow my video and make a smoked turkey. Really good flavor, juicy. Okay, I should do this. And then you just turn on the smoke and let the turkey sit in the smoke about 2 or 3 hours if you love the smoke flavor. Let's see. Try to go to the bottom. Some seasoning at the bottom here to let the turkey sit on. Bring the turkey here. The turkey on the seasoning. Turkey sit a little bit. Okay. Okay, that's all we do. So you turn on the smoke and then let the turkey sit there 2 or 3 hours and then we'll come back. See you. Hey, so I turned on the smoker. I want the turkey sit in the smoker about 3 hours and then we can raise the temperature. And today I will give a competition to smoke. And before I close the lid, I add some potato, onion and carrots. So after 3 hours smoke, the turkey smoke, you have to turn on 225 or 250 and bake 6 hours, 6 hours and a half until the temperature reaches. See a little bit. After 2.5 hours, look, check the turkey out. So now we will raise the temperature up to 25 or 250. You can smoke the turkey about 6 or 5 hours and then until the temperature reach. So if you are afraid the turkey, try out, open and check. Don't open too many times because the temperature will like go down. So you need some juice in the bottle and you raise over the turkey. And but this turkey we marinate and do a lot of butter, so I don't think the turkey will dry out. So see you in 6 hours. Hey guys, after 5 hours smoked turkey, and temperature heat 165. But when you smoking the turkey, temperature heat 159. You have to bump the temperature up 400. So let hopefully the skin crispy this time. Just pour it down. Look beautiful. So a lot of people, I see they said you can finish the turkey in the oven for 50 and for the skin crispy, or you can finish on a hot grill, but I don't have the big hot grill, so I decided to finish in the smoker. But you know, if the skin still not crispy, but I think when you smoke the turkey, it's beautiful and flavor like beauty, really yummy. So okay. Hey guys, I brought the turkey in. Not the turkey done, so we start to make some gravy to eat with turkey. So you will need 2 tablespoons of butter. This was easy gravy to make. If you forgot, buy the bag in the store. 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons, how thick you want. So this one the flour. You cook with the butter. Look like this. Cook a little bit. You will see the bubble up, and then you put. Oh, so you will 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, and then you need to use some fat. The truth in the turkey, I try to get out a little hard. You feel some in the chicken broth. I use almost 3-4, like 6 ounces of chicken broth, and you fill until 1 cup. So let me try to fill it. And how thick you want, you can control your flour. If you don't want so thick, you can let flour. Almost 1 cup. That easy gravy, but tastes amazing. Here you go, 1 cup. Now I'm putting the butter, the flour, and mix it well. So you just continue stir or mix around until simmer, boil, and turn up. A little noise. Sorry. So when I smoked the turkey, I did not use the guts because my family don't like it. So I just use potato and some carrots, some onion, a little bit. I will cut out for you guys see. So hopefully you guys smoke turkey this time, because usually I know people just like put in the oven, that's it. But when you smoke, the meat really juicy and yummy, but sometimes the skin not like you want crispy, because when you smoke the skin little properly, like I say, but I use a lot of treats. I did not give up because I like smoked food. So let me see, I can cut out some and then we try. Oops. Get a knife. Let me cut that right here first. Oh, my gravy. Oh, see, the gravy is so quickly done right now. you like sweet or you like something like black pepper, some spicy, just put in. Let me see. Oh, I have to use I have to remove it. Let's continue cooking. Juicy. You have to play. The skin right here. The meat really juicy. You start the night. Try this. Here's some skin. And okay, just some this one. This one smoke a while. Let's see. And then this gravy, you can, every traditional you do like green bean, rainberry. You can eat with rainberry. And I have homemade bread. Maybe next video I make some homemade bread for you. And then I have some gravy put on top of it. Smell really good. My meat and my so we can do some green bean to eat with this. So hope you guys try the smoked turkey this year and tell me how the taste. Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.